Look at it. Watch.
This is Clemson's first 3 and out of the night. Christian Jones is a tough ask here. He's 6'4", 232 pounds, running down the middle of the defense. He's got great size.
So now it's asleep?
He does a good job of trying to stay with them, but Sammy Watkins, if Floyd would have led him and put some air under that, he would have been able to probably run away from Jones. So far, the Knowles have been intent to set a return and a penalty flag.
And that is how you whisper a freaking lizard to death.
Well, let's see him wake up.
Just one of those mistakes that him, you know.
And you sure it's not good?
No, he's not dead, though. Go ahead, bud. Go ahead. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, yeah?
It doesn't get him a first down, obviously.
He's flowing.